I'm so happy to be able to experience this and hear some new stories. This is actually my 4th time hearing stories and songs by Helena. I've loved it every time, and it's great to be back again.
Helena, I love this. I'm absolutely enthralled. I love the stories, and your voice is absolutely beautiful.
Marvelous, really marvelous.
Helena was a great storyteller, but as well as that, she had a stunning voice.
Terrific evening. I enjoyed it very, very much. Reminded me a lot of me growing up, and some of the stories she told were hit pretty close to home, I think.
Oh God.
A lot of fun, a lot of fun.
The new stories are great. I love every time it's a little different, and there's always something different that you get either about history or about the fairies, and so with each experience it's been very rewarding to come back.
Oh, we had a great time. It was wonderful learning about the fairies, and she has a beautiful voice.
Got fun stories, great songs for all ages.
She's just so engaging, and she really makes you feel like you are kind of experiencing it as opposed to just hearing it.
Beautiful performance. Just hearing Helena's voice. She has an incredible voice. I watched a couple of the clips on Facebook in advance, but hearing her in real life was very special. I have 2 young children. My daughters are 5 and 7, and it's pretty hard to find a performer who can connect with an audience of all ages at the same time.
The storytelling is wonderful, and her voice is gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
Like angels.
I enjoyed it very, very much. It is very nice. It is something different, and she has a beautiful voice, and she's a lovely person.
She's so vibrant, and of course we love the Irish accent.
I loved how the stories grow out not only of the very ancient past, but the more recent past, and how something as mundane as a card game can have something eerie grow out of it.
She's a lovely singing voice. I can listen to her all night.
She was fabulous. A great way to spend Sunday afternoon.
I was in a really bad mood, and now I'm really, really happy. She was so interesting and charming and beautiful voice, beautiful person, and she was dressed like a fairy. So.
It's beautiful. I was crying most of the time, but it was lovely. I hope she comes back again.
Absolutely enjoyed it immensely. She's got the most beautiful voice, and of course I love her role. I could listen to her talk all night long. The stories are great. I'm so glad we came.
It also brings me back to sitting around with my grandparents and listening to stories.
It harkens you back to times in Ireland when the simpler times and everybody was young, and it paints a picture that you're sitting in a field, or you're sitting in a pub, or in your house in front of a peat fire. It really brings back memories of Ireland. It's great.
She was fascinating. I thoroughly enjoyed every word that she spoke.
She's a born storyteller. She had us all on the edge of our seats.
It was so much fun. I loved it, loved it, loved it. Thank you so much.
I'm Bridget McGraw from County Kerry, Tarbert County Kerry. I thought she was wonderful. It brought back an awful lot of memories to me. And I used to hear a lot of those stories when I was a child growing up in Ireland. She was wonderful. Thanks for coming.